Guys, this is Sifir Rasik. Today I will discuss about one very important things, that is for the duty officer hourly documents for the cargo operation. Means what are the documents you will maintain hourly for cargo operation. Okay guys, easy. You have to know this one guys. This is the tank radar, and top one black and this bottom one black one means this one, and that one is for the ballast tank. Okay, is written also, see here, this is for the cargo tank, this is for the ballast tank, and this is for the ballast tank. Okay, so you can get your level there guys. You can get your allege from your tank radar level, you see here. Also you can get pressure, also temperature also, and you can get your sounding from your that ballast tank sounding here also, you see this here. This is the tank radar for the ballast tank. Okay, so here you can get the sounding. This is this tank radar for the cargo tank. Here you can get the allege, remember. Okay, for the cargo tank you can get the allege. For the ballast pump, for the ballast tank you can get the sounding. Okay, remember guys, this is very important. Okay, so every hour you just note down the allege and sounding. Maybe sometime your some cargo tank or some ballast tank cannot give you the correct allege or correct sounding, so that time you have to take manually by sounding tape for the ballast tank, and for the UTI for the cargo tank manually you have to take by the AV, duty AV. They will take you and they will tell you by the walkie-talkie. So after that you can also note down. So every hourly you need this data. Okay, remember. So now I will go to the PC. I will show you from my PC that what are the documents you will maintain every hour. You see guys here, this OW record. If you go inside OW record, you see here have the loading, discharging. So if I go for the first for the loading, you see here is some checklist is there. The checklist we always maintain, and I will show you the important things. That is the timing sheet, this SOF we can call it, statement of fact you can call it also the timing sheet. You see, from end of sea passage to the inward tender to the first line assure to the cargo loading commence and the everything until the documents on board, cargo completed and documents on board, this all timing you have to write here. This is also OW record, this one. Okay, OW means of the officer of the watch in cargo operation. For cargo operation in CCR they will maintain this also, this timing, tanker timing sheet. Okay, and you can call it SOF also. Some vessel is SOF, statement of fact, same things. Okay, and after that this cargo hourly record. You see guys, this is for the cargo hourly record. See here, like this cargo hourly record you can find in your ship. Maybe your company has different format, but more or less everything is same, because of by hourly cargo record sheet we can find the loading rate, how much we already loaded, how much is remaining, and we can find also our ETC, estimated time of completion time. Okay, just like this. You will also, one more very important things I will tell you, that when you get your allege level or sounding level from your tank radar, you see there, I already told you guys, after getting the allege and sounding from there, you will come to the ludicator guys. You see, you have to understand the ludicator also. This is the ludicator. You see here, this is for the cargo tank, and this is for the ballast tank. Okay, so you see here, if you write here the allege for the cargo tank, you will get your volume and weight also, and if you write here your sounding level, you see, tank sounding level, ballast tank sounding level, you will get your volume and weight also. Okay, just you will note down this also, and after that you will go here, hourly record, you will write here. You see, as per your tank you will write. Guys, I told you maybe your vessel has different format. My vessel is this format, so like this. You see guys, this is 1 port 1 starboard, 2 port 2 starboard, 3 port 3 starboard. So you just write here the, normally this vessel we write the volume only, so volume will write here. Okay, and this is the ROB, means how much remaining on board, means how much loaded you already on board, this one. And this is the loading rate, this is the loading rate. So this is the ROB now, and total loaded will be this one, So this is the hourly rate. So from here minus this one, you will get this one. So this is the remaining to load. Okay, like this way you will when you will get next hour loading rate this one, then the other next hour loading rate this one, next hour loading rate this one. So just you can calculate. Suppose for this next hour loading rate is this one, so this one and this one add, so this will be the total loaded. Okay, and now from here subtract this one will be your to be loaded. Okay, remember. So as per your loading rate, you will find your ETC, estimated time of completion, also, and GM also sharing force, bending moment, draft, fore and aft. You can find from your here also, from your this loadicator also. You see here fore and aft, draft, also shear force, bending moment, you can find here also. Okay, also GM value also you can find here. So like this, guys. And also UKC you will find as per your draft, and IG pressure you can find. IG pressure you can find there also, that IG there also, that line pressure you will get there. So like this, guys. So I hope you will understand this one. This is the hourly record. Remember, this hourly record you have to maintain on board your ship every hour for the cargo operation. Remember, okay. This is for the common for loading and discharging. Okay, remember, loading time also, discharging time also. So this timing sheet also for loading and discharging both time you have to fill up this one. Okay, you have to maintain this one. Remember. Viewers, also this port log is common for loading and discharging both time. You have to maintain this port log. Okay, remember this one, guys. See, in port log also same as SOF, all the activities is here, timing and activities is here. Okay, this port log also you have to maintain, guys. After that I have some more important thing is the checklist. Some checklist is here. You see, entry into pump room entry permit also you have to maintain this one, and person entry pump room log also you have to maintain this one also. These are the very important, guys, and these are the other checklists you have to maintain, guys. Okay, normally chief OS also maintain this checklist, and OW normally maintain this pump room entry log, and this tanker timing sheet and hourly record. Also sometimes this ballast water record also. I see here this ballast water record also, guys. Okay, and guys, for the discharging time, is the same. This hourly record is same, tanker timing sheet is same, and also hourly cargo operation checklist is also you have to maintain, guys. This hourly cargo operation checklist also we maintain. Okay, also, guys, pump room entry permit also we maintain, pump room entry log also we maintain. This is like this. I show you, guys. I'm showing you this pump room entry log also like this. Means date, time entry, means date, time entry, time out, name of the person entry, job description, just like this. Okay, this is a pump room entry and log, guys. Okay, this also you have to maintain, guys. And entry permit also. You have to maintain. Normally chief officer will give permit, guys, like this. Okay, normally chief officer will give permit. This also we have to maintain, guys. And guys, one very important thing is during discharging time we have to maintain the pumping log and inert gas log. Okay, so pumping log is very important, guys. Remember, this pumping log is only for discharging time, because that time you are using your pump. Okay, during loading time we are not using our pump, so that time means during loading time no need pumping log, only discharging time need your pumping log. Okay, so this is a pumping log. This is your manifold number, time, number 1, number 2, number 3 manifold, and pressure is here. Okay, and the discharge rate is here. Just this is a remark, stopping, and sometimes stop, or sometimes commence, sometimes suspended, sometimes tripped, sometimes commenced cow, like that, or cow finishing, commenced stripping, or completion of stripping, like this you can write in remarks. And you see here also date, time, rate, manifold pressure, number 1 number 1 COP pump RPM, discharge pressure RPM is this one, number 2 COP pump RPM, number 3 RPM, number 4 I don't have, only 1 2 3 COP pump, cargo oil pump. So like this also you have to maintain. Okay, just date, time, rate, this loading rate, sorry, this discharging rate, and manifold pressure, and here is the RPM. Okay, remember this instruction, this much. So this pumping log is very important, remember. Okay, this one you have to maintain. And another is the inert gas operation log, because of guys during discharging time we are using our inert gas, so that time also you have to maintain the inert gas operational log. Okay, remember this was very important. So inert gas operation log also you have to maintain. Okay, remember. So guys, these are the common items. Also some checklist, guys. Normally chief is also maintain some checklists. So guys, these are the common items we are common form we are using for loading and for the discharging, and some checklist. This checklist also have. So these are the documents you have to maintain hourly. What I told you before, what I described here before, this loading documents and discharging documents, these are the form you have to fill up every hour during loading and during discharging time, remember. Okay, this is very important, guys, because when you do the cargo operation on board tanker ship, these are the documents you have to maintain, guys. So this one you have to understand, guys, because of for the cargo you have to know these documents. So guys, I hope this video will helpful a little bit to you guys. I try to my best to make some video just beside my work. So guys, that's all for today. Thank you too much. Bye bye.